Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. We were about to go to our weekend clicks, then suddenly a box appears. So let's unbox it. Let's go! Okay, so we're gonna do a quick and dirty unboxing of this consolidated package. As I said in the intro, it is Saturday as of making this video, Saturday morning, and I am about to go to our weekend clicks, and I got a notification, a text message that this particular item is for delivery today. No specific time. I was thinking it's gonna be afternoon when I already left for the event, but here we are. It arrived before I leave, so I'm gonna unbox it because some of the items here are are for my colleagues here in the Philippines. Okay, so let me just fix it quickly. This is a consolidation of two items. The first one would be from the Oxit Spider-Verse brick. Okay, I think this is for brick number 4. Okay, and then the other items here would be from Cool Stuff Inc. Passabays from my good friend Conrad and myself. So we ordered some stuff from Cool Stuff. Okay, so let's start off with that. And you can see it's all in bubble paper wraps here, not bubble wrap. Okay, and let's see. I think Conrad, most of these are for Conrad, but I do have some items for me. Oh, there. Oops. Okay, so we have here we have Ares. Okay, always a good sideline. We have the Prime Blue Beetle. Then we have the Stunner that's been out of base, and we have the Falcon and Red Wing. Okay, so Conrad really needs that for his team. So I wonder what's my item. I think mostly cards. I think legacy cards. Okay, so let's check the cards. We have the Blue Beetle, Ares, Super Rare Red Wing, Falcon and Red Wing, and Stunner. So those are for Conrad, and these are for me. Yeah. So I got the Cannon event, the Web Swinging, Assist from Another World, and Spider Mobile. So this one actually is a duplicate for me, but yeah, it's a mistake on my end, but I'll probably just try to get another Spider Mobile or sell it to someone who has Spider Mobile. Okay, so figures for Conrad, cards for me. That's it for the first consolidation. And the second one is some more figures from the Spider-Verse. These are my pulls. Spider-Verse has not been kind to me during the brick breaks, so I actually haven't gotten a super rare. I think this is the first brick break, if I'm not mistaken, that I got a super rare. So let's check it out. My first booster contains Mysterio, Spider-Man, Spider UK, Mr. Negative, and a Spider-Bot. Okay, I love the Spider-Bot. And that's my third Spider-Bot, and we have a team-up card. Assemble the team. Okay, not team-up card, one-shots. Okay, that's good to some extent. And the last booster, as you can see, there's a bubble wrap. So we have our first super rare in the last 4 weeks, and that is the Superior Octopus. Okay, so that's why I mentioned I needed that Spider-Bot because they work really well with Superior. So we also have Spider-Bite, Dr. Connors. This one is Martin Lee and Spider-Man. Let's see. The cards are here. There you go. Okay, so that's it for the quick unboxing. I'm gonna close this video. Share your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see everyone during the weekend clicks. Bye bye.